Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I've got an old build to show you. It was tucked away in this box many years ago. It says 72 Firebird, and I have not looked inside, so we're both going to be surprised to see what's in there. I'm going to set you down here. Hope everyone's having a great day. We're upside down. We are nearing the end of summer as of making this video, and man, it's really gone by fast. So we have, wow, this one looks like it's been robbed of parts. Let's see here, we have what appears to be a junkyard haul. This was a Formula 500, it says on there. Has a clear grille, that's different. No engine. Wow, I thought there was more to this kit. I thought this was a complete kit. Here's a spoiler, which is very reminiscent of the second gen Camaro spoiler from 71, 2, and 3. Because if you're familiar with the Camaros, the 1970 Camaro actually had a 1969 spoiler on it. And then they changed it to the 3-piece in 71. I don't know. I don't know where these things come from, guys. They just pop out of my head. This would be cool if I could get like a 455 Pontiac motor and put in there and figure out how to fix these wheels, because one is left. This one looks like it used a metal axle in the back, and I have no idea what the wheels were that were on here. Turbine wheels? Is that what they're called? The ones that are very similar to, like the Dukes of Hazzard, generally, you know, 69 Charger, that style wheel, the turbine wheel, that would look sharp on this kit. And the hood looks like I cut it out myself. Look at there, all jagged edged. Not too bad a job. I didn't have a lot of tools back then. That's probably why there was no motor, because you weren't supposed to see it anyway. But I made sure that changed. Wow. Now I know they reissued a Firebird Trans Am kit. I think Revell did it. Maybe I'll just pick one of those up and then just leave this one the way it is. I do not have that Revell kit, so maybe that'll be on the list for my next purchase. This pops up under here. Oh, no, nope. I thought the trunk lid came off, but it was just the spoiler again. Yeah, this goes in here somehow. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I don't want to break nothing. But that's that one. You know what? Even the taillights are missing. Wow. It says Pontiac back there. That's cool. We'll just have to use this one for parts, guys. Yeah, I don't think that one's going to be recovered. But it was one of my favorites back in the day. I remember that because I love the F bodies. You know, the style Camaro and Firebird, especially the early models like that. Well, there you have it. That's another one in the books. I want to thank you all for stopping by. And please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Just help me grow this channel. I appreciate it. I'm having a blast still. I'm almost a year into it, and I'm still enjoying every moment of it. I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope it inspires you to build something. There's the old auto car truck. Like I said in the previous video, I'm putting shelving up, so I've got my builds all over the place at the moment, stacked up and just hanging around. You've seen all of these on the channel before. So, alrighty, that's it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.